Hello guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'll be working on a buddy of mine's Audi A4 V6. It's the 3.0 V6 and it's a convertible, so that should be interesting. So basically this is an introduction video for the V6 onto the channel. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. It's gonna be a little bit different from what we're used to, but I'm very excited. So in the next clip I'm gonna show so we're back and you can see the car is behind me. We're just gonna get busy with it now. We're just gonna check what type of filter it has on the gearbox, and then we should be on the way to go get the new filter. We already bought the oil, CVT oil from Golvachen, so we'll be going back there to get the filter, and then from there this baby is going up on the jack stands and we do the gearbox service. So should be interesting. I hope you enjoy. Stay tuned. Okay, so we are now underneath the car, and this right here is a CVT gearbox. The good thing is it does not look like it has the inside filter, so my guess is that's weird. I do not see any filter here. Very weird, very odd. Okay, those two look familiar. Right, there's those two lines going straight to the cooler. Oh, wait, what is this? What is this? Okay, so it actually looks like what seems to be the filter comes all the way up here to connect into the radiator. So I can't get a clear shot, but it's that black line right there, this one right here. I'm not sure if you can see that. So it seems to be the line that connects that filter like thing to the gearbox. So it's a good thing we checked this. We can go and look for this filter. I mean, it's very odd, the position that it's at, the type of filter that it is. But if we don't find anything, we might have to skip on changing the filter, but hopefully they do have a filter like this in stock, and then it just makes the whole process worth it, because you know you're just doing everything to perfection. So I'm gonna try head over there to go for him. If not, I'll also check Audi. I know it's gonna be quite pricey there, but at this point we need this baby running nice and smooth, so it will be totally worth it. So yeah, stay tuned. Now we are draining the oil and adding the new oil. So apparently the gearbox oil filter is inbuilt, so we can't change that. We advise to not change it, because I mean it's lifetime use anyway. So these are the two tools I'm gonna be using. Sorry for the bad lighting. Let's try this. Right, that's better. So these are the two tools we'll be using. M10 for the full plug, and then this is an M16 multi-spline for the drain plug. So we're just gonna get started on that, and I'll give you an update as we go along. Okay, so I just realized I forgot to view the ending of the video. At this point, we did change the gearbox oil, the CVT fluid. We did change it, and unfortunately it didn't make a difference because the car had it's got an issue. It mixes the gears. It's almost as if the clutch is out on a manual, but it's an automatic. So yeah, that didn't work. So the only next probable thing to look into is the TCM, which is the transmission control unit. We might have to get that looked at, but I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. And again, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. Definitely see you in the next one for sure.
Doing it right. Everybody will be dancing on the feeling alright. Everybody will be doing it right. Everybody will be dancing and we're feeling it right. Everybody will be dancing and be doing it right. Everybody will be dancing on the feeling alright.